All right. Let me rename this real quick. What's going on, Facebook fam? I know it is midnight, late at night, but I wanted to get on here and brag a little bit. Just finished up setting up my store here. Man, this is crazy. Let me go. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So I literally just finished up setting up my store here. I don't even, my phone's dead, so I can't see you guys if you're online or not. But so I spent about the last hour getting my online Shopify store together. Check it out. I am not the tech savvy person, but this thing went step by step of setting up the store. So I just got through with Google Analytics. It is no way, listen, no way that I would have learned how to set up my Google Analytics on my website. But now this was just eye opening to know how you can monitor the traffic coming to your website, how to do it, how to take the coding and everything. Listen, not a tech guy at all, but literally this video walk step by step through it. So in IM Academy, in the 100 series, they just teach you what e-commerce is, products that are selling, different type of things, Shopify store, etc. Then you go into the 200 series where they're going to show you how to actually set up your store from signing up a Shopify, okay, basic stuff, to set up your payment options, to your checkout cart, how obviously how you handle your taxes, different sales channels that you're going to use, capitalization of your site if you want to do that, personalizing your store, which I already did that. I'm gonna show you guys that. I finally look. I was trying to do it on my own. I could not do it on my own. So after I went through these 3 videos about personalizing my store, I was able to set up the theme, change the color, get everything set up. That was powerful. The tags and collections, being able to sort out my products that are inside the store. Then I just finished Google Analytics. That one, mind blown. Okay, so I just learned something about how to basically monitor websites. Okay, so this is powerful. Next one, tomorrow I'm going to dashboard and analytics, different reports you can see, tracking numbers and stuff like that. It's going to teach me all that stuff. And then we're going to go into our 300 series. 300 series is going to be my product selection, what I'm going to put inside the store, products to avoid, okay, how to use AliExpress. Man, this is hands down, I would tell you, I spent 109 bucks. It's 109 bucks a month, folks. 109 bucks to really get a store set up, to get ready to optimize it. Even from the add-ons that we have for as a theme, it's optimized for conversion rate of sales through social media. So I'm learning a lot, and I'm telling you, it's worth it. So did all this stuff. We're gonna get into editing SEOs, right? Man, search engine optimization. So you learn all this stuff right here. Listen, I didn't know none of it. Okay. And then we're gonna get into the 400 series. You can see installing Facebook Pixel, creating Facebook Pixel. So adding an ad account, man, adding a fan page. All this stuff you're learning about being able to become the social media guru. Okay. And so, what would you pay for that? People paying thousands. I know people who have bought Amazon stores for a lot more and didn't have the work. So here's what I've done so far. This is my journey. So as we go through the videos, I'm still right at the end of 200 series, about to finish that up. So kind of did some work here. Um, Obviously, we're doing some good stuff here with the page. We got some apps that this one right here. Oh my goodness, the Cloner app, game changer. Okay, so let me having to go look for products. Check it out. I go to hot products here, and all up, man. Guess what's coming up? Christmas. Okay, all these holidays, all these hot products I can literally clone them and put in my store automatically. Okay, has already the supplier next to it. So check this out. If I want to find this right here, boom, I just go down, boom. Okay, has it right here. Okay, this is just a game changer. I don't have to do anything; it's already there. And of course, it looks like it's selling for like 20 bucks. So turn around, put it on my site, just clone it. If I literally click that clone button, it's going to add it to my site. Okay, so there's always adding hot products on here that I can clone and put into my store automatically. Already has the supplier for me. Already has the pricing for me. It's a game changer. My wife was just telling me she was looking at buying these pants. So check it out. Once again, boom, hit AliExpress. Here's the supplier. We already have them. Throw them on the market, 20 bucks. It's simple. It's a no-brainer. I've always known. If you look behind me here, this industry right now is a $4.2 trillion industry right now. And this Cyber Monday and Black Friday is coming up. I believe what Black Friday, $7.4 billion spent on Black Friday, and then Cyber Monday, about 9.4 billion is spent. So imagine you already being ready. Have some stuff. Look, it's got a kind of like GoPro shock listing. So let's see what that's selling for in here. Okay, some electronical stuff here. Okay, things that you can sell. And guess what? I don't have to store them. I can drop ship them. This was the biggest one. Google Analytics. So learn that stuff here. So I just got started. As you can see, I set all that up. Got it connected to my page before we get ready to launch. Go live. We have our educators, Chris Reef and Ariana. Man, they're absolutely powerful. Chris comes on every day. If I want to catch any of his recordings, which I still have to, I missed the last one, so I'll be catching his recordings here where he's going to go over some stuff live. And then tomorrow I'll get on with him and ask about my website a little bit. So we have our live stuff. And then we have, okay, I already went through, okay. And I've already started using my site a little bit, so it's powerful. You see 173 sessions, okay. 35 things added to the cart. And I reached checkout, 31 of them, and I converted 22 of them. Okay, so that's pretty powerful. So it shows me that. Now, obviously, this isn't when I was amateur. We're gonna get this rate way up. Okay, working on my website. So we're still working here. It's almost actually this is now changed. I actually have a logo now. I'm gonna show you guys this. Let me go in the back here. Let's see where is my. Let's go to online store. So I'm actually working on this one right now. Let's look at it. So price, that's at my actual logo that we're working on right now. So we're getting everything. So we'll be loading up everything tomorrow. So we got everything optimized to get ready to go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I went to Taylor Brands, man. So cheat code went to Taylor Brands to get, if you're looking to get a logo, different type of logo. So I just put the name in, and they had me select 3 different type of logos that I like, and it came out with this, and this was perfect for me. So that's my logo for the store. Not that it has to be branded, we're drop shipping, so it don't matter. Just some things on AliExpress, and that's it, folks. Just want to share that with you. That's my journey. I'm halfway through. I should be finished up tomorrow. We'll be launching. The goal: if you sell 50,000 items, $20 a piece. Guess what? That's $1 million in the bank. Let's go. All right, you guys have a wonderful night. Peace. Let me see who's on actually. Okay. All right, y'all. All right, you guys have a wonderful night. Peace.